How to practice email copywriting. If you want to practice email copywriting so that you can improve your skill or you can get better at writing email copy, this is what you need to do. Welcome to my channel. This is a channel about copywriting, email copywriting, and how to make money with your copywriting skill. If you want to practice email copywriting, there is just one word that you need to remember. You need to practice. And practice is all about doing something again and again. For you to practice email copywriting, you need to write 2 to 3 emails daily. You need to do this every day. Nobody gets good at anything without practice. And for email copywriting, it means writing emails every day. So what can you use to practice email and email copywriting? You can write emails selling books on your shelf. You can write emails selling physical products like e-com products, courses created by others. There are affiliate programs everywhere, so you can write emails for these affiliate offers. You can write emails for events. All you do is look at these different kinds of products and write emails for them. And even to improve your skill further, get somebody to review your email copy and get you to know where you're making mistakes. And that's what I do for my students. Now, if you want me to help you critique your email and help you improve your email, I suggest you get my email copywriting course. Go to the link in my description and you're going to get access to my email list so you can buy my courses and get to know the different courses that I can give you and can help you improve your skill. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, see you in my next video. If you have any question concerning how to practice email copywriting, let me see it in the comments. Bye bye.